In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Discord welcome channel with Mee6 Bot Mobile. We'll set this up entirely on your phone step by step, so new members are greeted automatically the moment they join. First, open the Discord app and enter the server where you want the welcome messages. Create or select a text channel dedicated to welcomes. Naming it something like welcome keeps things clear for your community. With that channel ready, open the server's apps section. On mobile, you'll find the app directory from the server page. If you don't see it, make sure your app is updated. You'll also need the manage server permission to continue. Search for Mee6 in the app directory and tap the official Mee6 bot. Tap add app, then choose your server if prompted. Continue through the dialog and review the permissions it requests so you know what you're approving. Tap authorize to add the bot. When Discord confirms, tap go to my server to return. You'll see a prompt to set up Mee6. Tap set up Mee6, then tap the link to visit the site. On the Mee6 page, choose login with Discord and again authorize so Mee6 can access your server dashboard. This connects your server to the Mee6 control panel. Inside the Mee6 dashboard, find the welcome channel module and enable it. Tap Activate Welcome Channel to turn the feature on. Now choose your welcome channel and pick the channel you created earlier. This ensures all greetings land in the right place. Next, choose a theme for your welcome message. Themes are presets that make your greeting look polished on mobile without a lot of edits. You can fine-tune the text to match your community's tone, friendly, concise, and clear. A quick tip, keep it welcoming and informative, like welcome to the server, check the rules and introduce yourself, and avoid tagging everyone to prevent notification overload. If your theme allows images or emojis, add something on brand to make the message stand out. Use the preview to confirm everything looks good on mobile. When you're satisfied, tap publish to save and activate your setup. From now on, whenever someone joins, Mee6 will automatically post the welcome message in your selected channel. If the message doesn't appear after your first new member joins, double check that Mee6 has permission to view and send messages in the welcome channel and that its role is placed high enough in your server's role list. That's it, your mobile-friendly welcome flow is live and ready to greet new members smoothly.